This is the best oil-based banana bread recipe that you can make. It is so easy. You just need to add all your ingredients together and you are done. You do not need any special equipment and you do not need butter. Welcome back to my channel. We are using two medium-sized banana. I'm just going to mash my banana. Mash your banana with whatever equipment you have in your kitchen. Just improvise. Once you get your banana to this texture, go on now to add half cup of brown sugar, half cup of any vegetable oil of your choice, 2 medium-sized eggs, 1 cup of warm milk. You can use evaporated milk, you can use semi-skimmed milk, but please do not use condensed milk for this recipe. Evaporated milk, powdered milk dissolved in 1 cup of water is fine. Do not use evaporated milk. Add half tablespoon of your vanilla flavor or any flavor of your choice, 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of baking powder, and half tablespoon of your baking soda. The combination of your baking powder and your baking soda took this banana bread to another level. It made it so light and fluffy, it made it to proof so well, and it made it to taste so delicious in your mouth. Mix all your ingredients together. Once it is fully combined, go on out to grease your pan with your melted butter or vegetable oil and sprinkle a little bit of flour around your pan because you want your dough or your banana bread to come out easily. Go on out to pour your banana bread or your banana bread batter into your already greased pan. At this stage, you should be heating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you're done adding in your butter into your pan, get ready to place your banana bread into your oven and allow it to bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the kind of oven that you will be using. This is after 45 minutes, and look at how my banana bread is looking. It is well big, like it's literally almost filled my pan. This is because of the combination of your baking powder and your baking soda. It helps your banana bread to proof so well and it will come out feeling so light and fluffy, not dense. There are some banana bread that are really dense and it feels as if what you're eating is in banana bread. But because of the combination of your baking powder and baking soda, which is the secret ingredients in this recipe, your banana bread will come out feeling so light and fluffy and very enjoyable for your family to have, or even if it is for business. Now let's cut through this banana bread to see how it looks. It looks so fluffy, so yummy, and so amazing. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share, and consider subscribing to Debbie's Kitchen because you wouldn't want to miss out on the yummy recipe coming your way. So thumbs up this video, click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified of Debbie's Kitchen yummy recipes coming your way every week. See you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. God bless you.